Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 13 Pro, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's begin with opening the Play Store. Before, of course, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And then let's open it. And be aware that you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. It is crucial. If you're not sure how to do it, you can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific model, or you can simply do it on your own right here before entering the Play Store. It's totally up to you. So now all you have to do is to tap on the circle in the right upper corner and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Let's tap on Manage, and right here we've got the list of all installed apps. So let's tap on Updates Available, and as you can see, this is the list of apps which we can update. It is quite important to know where to find those updates because sometimes your device will show you the information that you cannot use the app because of the old version. So here you can find the updates. All you have to do is to mark the update you'd like to update. I'll choose Google Chrome and Messages. Of course, if you want to, you can mark all of them. So now let's simply tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated, so you do not have to do anything more, just wait. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.